The US will donate 1 million doses of smallpox vaccine to combat the epidemic in Africa. In a major effort to combat the smallpox epidemic in Africa, US President Joe Biden is set to announce the donation of 1 million doses of the smallpox vaccine along with 500 million in aid to affected African nations. The announcement, scheduled for Tuesday at the United Nations General Assembly in New York, is part of the Biden administration's broader initiative to support global health. A senior administration official confirmed the news, urging other countries to join in. The World Health Organization declared a global public health emergency in response to a recent outbreak of smallpox in the Democratic Republic of Congo. The virus has since spread to neighboring countries and even as far as India, raising global concern. The Biden administration is warning that further cuts in pandemic-related funding by Congress would hamper the national and global response, stressing that US is already stretched thin in addressing this growing epidemic. Smallpox, is also known as Mpox, is spread through close contact and, while typically not fatal, can result in flu-like symptoms and severe lesions. The new clade IB variant is proving more contagious even through close social or sexual contact. The US vaccine donation will come from Bavarian Nordic's Genius vaccine, many of which are sourced from the US stockpile. This new donation follows an earlier contribution of 60,000 doses. The distribution of the vaccines will be coordinated by Gavi, a global alliance that finances vaccines for low-income countries. Gavi is considered best suited to ensure equitable distribution of these life-saving doses. In addition to immediate aid, the Biden administration is also working on a long-term plan to increase vaccine production in low and middle-income countries, collaborating with international partners like Brazil to expand the fight against smallpox.